Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is DJI's flagship consumer/prosumer drone. It's big, it's mean, it's noisy, it has 3 cameras, and is the perfect drone to get the job done. If the conditions will let you fly a drone, the Mavic 3 Pro will deliver. The new Mavic 3 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 3x optical zoom, and is capable of 48MP/12 MP photos, 4K/60 FPS video, and supports the new D-Log-M. On top of that, the wide-angle camera now also supports the new 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, allowing the sensor to capture up to 1 billion colors. This not only makes the camera better at capturing difficult scenes such as sunrises and sunsets but also makes it easier to process the captured video. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a flying, stabilized 4K/12 megapixel camera with a theoretical range of 10 kilometers, way beyond what you should ever take it, and a rated flight time of 38 minutes with the included battery. The standard kit comes with the DJI RC-N1 controller with no screen. You use your smartphone, but there's an option to upgrade to the DJI RC controller that has a built-in display that adds $140 to the price. There's also a Fly More combo option that adds 2 additional 38-min intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag, spare propellers, and a few other bits. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2S. This is the drone for people who want more than the Mini 2 has to offer, but don't want to buy a Mavic 3. This drone is perfect even for the most demanding high-end consumer. For the price, the Mavic Air 2S is superb. You get a flying, stabilized 5.4K camera that can stay in the sky for close to 30 minutes, and capture amazing film footage. The only thing this drone is missing is side sensors. That said, with careful flying, that doesn't have to be a problem at all. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The long-awaited Mini 3 Pro has landed. This is an upgraded version of the Mini 2, with a redesigned chassis, upgraded camera, bigger battery, and the addition of obstacle avoidance sensors. The sub-250G category is important in some territories because it falls into an area where there are fewer regulation headaches. This is a big deal in places like Europe, less so in places like the US. That said, the Mini 3 Pro is a very capable drone that you can slip into a pocket and take with you on your adventures. That's not something you could do with a Mavic 3.